Oh my god! Can you please stop eating those so loud? What? We've been on this elevator for at least 10 minutes now, and you keep crunching those stupid guys. What? I think we might be stuck. I give up. I give up. I'm gone. Ow! Oh my god. Look, don't worry. We'll just press the emergency button. We'll be fine. And we'll have a trained professional on our way to help us. Yep. Hello? This is me. On the microphone, eh? Who is this? It's I, Magic Mirror.
Got this job today. It doesn't pay very well because no one ever calls, because only stupid people get stuck in elevators.
Let us get out!
Okay.
Let me just use my chainsaw. Don't worry, completely 110% safe. Ow, hey, why are you doing that? You know, I'm a living, breathing person. You shouldn't be attacking me with that weapon.
No, shut up. You're welcome.
Life is like an elevator. Up, down, stay focused.